जैसे हमने मतलब हमारा मैरिज हुआ, इट्स अ लव स्टोरी वी हैड इन 2016 वी गॉट मैरिड। और जब हम हमारे घर में गए तो हमारी जॉब क्या थी, वो सीजी रोड पे थी। एक्चुअली शी वाज इनटू द बेसिकली लोकल एरिया सीजी रोड एंड मेरा जॉब था वो एसजी हाईवे पे था। तो एक फीलिंग वो था कि भाई काफ़ी दूर पड़ता था, पहला तो ट्रैवलिंग, देन टाइम, कॉस्ट, सब कुछ देखना था। तो वो चीज़ को कम कैसे किया जाए, तो हमने एक सोचा कि हमने पहले रेंटेड प्रॉपर्टी शुरू की सर्च करना, वो देखा हमने। और मेरा क्या है, इन लॉज का घर भी वहाँ पे ही है, इट्स इन वाड़ज एरिया। सो वी जस्ट फाइनल प्रॉपर्टी, अ रेंटेड प्रॉपर्टी इन न्यू वाड़ज वेयर वी आर एट द मोमेंट। तो वहाँ पे हम रेंट पे गए, वहाँ पे 1 साल हुआ। फिर ऐसा होता था हमारे दोनों के बीच में बातें कि पोजीशन बढ़ रही है, सो इनकम इज़ स्टेबल द मोमेंट, ओके, सो इंडस्ट्री भी काफ़ी अच्छी है, ग्रो कर रही है, सो वाई वी वोंट यू नो वाई नॉट टू इन्वेस्ट इन समथिंग। तो हमने ये सोचा कि चलिए प्रॉपर्टी देखते हैं। प्रॉपर्टी देखना काफ़ी पहले से शुरू हो गया था। स्वाति पे तो हम बहुत ही बाद में आए, बिकॉज मे बी 3 to 4 months इट आई कैन से। तो पहले हम लोकल एरिया में ही देख रहे थे, क्योंकि मेरे इन लॉज हैं, वो ऐसा बोलते थे कि सिटी में रहना ज़्यादा बेटर है।
But I love the name Crescenta because it's something unique. So I told him that I want to go, just visit once. And then we saw this room, which is a sample house. And we both were thinking that it would be very, very expensive, the way they designed the first floor sample house. And I was quite impressed with that. And then we went on the second floor to saw the unfurnished room. And I really loved it, the way it was designed, the finishing, whether it's a sample house or whether it's an unfurnished house. I just loved the finishing and everything. It was not even colored properly, but still I loved it. And he told me that, Babu, we are not gonna buy this because it is going to worth a lot more than 80 to 90 lakhs. And I was like, no, at least ask the price because I really love it. Then we personally went and met Dipesh Bhai, and then he explained us everything, and then we were like, okay, we can do that, we can do that. Then still he told me that we should opt for any other properties. We went to the Sun South Wings, and then we went to the Florence, Swati Florence. I really loved it because that's the property we can see, because people are living over there and everything. And then at the end of the day, he asked me that, tell me what you want. Forget about money, forget about family, everything. So I said, I just want Swati, that's it. Whatever it is. I went even more than 10 to 11 times just to see the Swati. Frankly, I told my friends, come along with me, I will show you, I'll show you. And everyone was like, wow, it is very luxurious. It is very luxurious, and I really loved it. I don't wanted to miss this opportunity. Anyways, it is going to be our first house, and it has to look luxurious, and I have many other plans to do with that. So